I'll make you my partners. You run this business. I'll not be involved, but I'll do something else, which, well, ultimately I want to run a much bigger company. That was my aim. So all my team members who are like with me for a long time, they became partners. They are all stakeholders. I get my own royalty, and I shifted to Green, which is a venue management company. Now this Green again, we have got YMCA Banquets, Red Earth, there are different lawns in Ahmedabad, and now our vision is to make it a 50 venue company in next 4 years. So again, from there we are starting from scratch. So that's something which is building from zero. And of course there is Alpine Woods and there is a Bitcoin company, which I don't think we need to talk about here. So more important is, if we talk about Red, is what are the problems which we face and why we are successful is what you all want to know, right? I'll give you a few points which will help you understand. So a few points which will help you understand क्या चीज़ें important है entrepreneur को success बनने में. सबसे important है that you have to be very very focused in what you do. When I was running Red, there were people who would be doing different things. I mean, हर रोज नई ideas आते हैं, होता है कि ये भी कर लो, वो भी कर लो. But अगर आपने कोई चीज़ को, if you like it and you're going ahead with it, just be focused on it. Just believe in yourself and keep working on it to make it successful. With a very very strong determination and strong goal in your front कि मुझे आज से 1 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद यहाँ पहुँचना है और इसी के लिए काम करना है. If you do that, then and then only success comes to you. Don't think of Oyo Rooms, Ritesh Agrawal getting $100 million, because that's 1 in 10,000 people who do it. 9999 people fail. Okay, and that is more important to understand than Oyo Room's success story. वो हर एक को नहीं मिलने वाली है. हर एक को मिलने वाली अपॉर्चुनिटी, हर एक को मिलने वाला एक चांस, जिसमें आपको हर रोज काम करना है, हर रोज मेहनत करनी है और हर रोज तभी आप आगे आ पाएंगे. It won't be easy job. You will fail. It's okay to fail. Keep failing, keep learning, and then only you can grow it. Second is, it's very important that you get a right family support also in this, because let's say if I am doing event management and if my family doesn't support me, it won't work. So before you start a business, it's आप आपके family को involve करिए, make them understand why you're doing it, what is it that you want to do, and they all need to support you in that. They all need to believe in your common cause. If they don't believe you, then ultimately आपको बोलते रहेंगे, वो देखा मैं तो बोला था मत करिए, why you're doing it, you're wasting your time, go and do a job. आपके कॉलेज को बोलो आपको कोलगेट में जॉब दिला दें, why you're wasting time. So it's very important that all of you as a family believe in the common goal what you have. Third thing is, you have to realize that no work is small or big. Her work is work. और हर काम, या तो your father is super rich and you just join him, that's a friend. Otherwise, if you're starting small, it's okay. It's okay to start small, but don't feel embarrassed about it. Today, I am running a Zeppay, which is a garage startup again. After 15 years of my being in whatever I'm doing, I started from garage. Okay, I was one employee company when I started Shaadi Info. मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था. मैं खुद करता था, मेरा स्टाफ करता था, मैं खुद, I told you, I would travel in train without tickets, स्टेशन पे तैयार होता था और फिर किसी को मिलने जाता था. So I was not embarrassed and I'm still not embarrassed to talk about it. मैं तब सोफे भी उठाता था, तब मैं रूम्स के अंदर में हेम्पर भी रखता था और लॉजिस्टिक्स में कार भी मैनेज करता था. If I can do it and if all the other successful entrepreneurs can do it, you also should be open to do it. You can't say कि ये तो छोटा काम है, मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैं तो 4 लोग पहले रखूँगा, वो लोग मेरे लिए काम करेंगे. Because it's easy to do that, but when you do that, you will never be successful. You have to start small. You have to be very very focused, very very clear, and be मतलब वो आपका business है, आपका product है. You have to be proud about it. Never be embarrassed about what you are doing. Thirdly, you have to be always fair. हमने, if you ask about Red events, everyone, even in my staff, they will say that we are always committed to our clients. We never wanted to cheat people. जो भी करो सही करो, और क्या है कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेंगी कि आप कोई पैसा कमा लो, किसी को झूठ बोल के कुछ कर लो, बट दैट विल नॉट लास्ट लॉन्ग, बिकॉज इफ यू डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इट ऑलवेज कम्स आउट. It may not come out today, but tomorrow it will come out. And if the credibility is out in the market, it never comes back. So most important is a customer should trust you. He should say that आपने बोला है तो गलत नहीं है. They can believe in you, and you have to build your credibility. It's a long process. It's a tough process. You will get lot of attractions to take the shortcuts कि नहीं यार कर लेते हैं, चलो जुगाड़ कर लेते हैं, ऐसा हो जाता है. I'll give you an example. I did Adani wedding, ठीक है. There was our accounts got settled, everything, and there was a check of 5 lakh rupees which had come to us extra after the wedding. I mean before the wedding, and the accounts were settled. After 3 months, my accountant came to me and said, कि सर ये पैसा एक्स्ट्रा पड़ा हुआ है which is not in anyone's notice. What do we do? I called up Pranav and I told him that we have a money, we are sending it back to you. He was shocked. He couldn't believe कि ऐसा भी होगा कि कोई ऐसे पैसे वापस दे देगा. And it happened. And today, whatever bill we submit, they don't even check. So it's a credibility you build. I could have taken that 5 lakh. उस समय मेरे लिए 5 लाख रुपए बहुत बड़ी अमाउंट थी जब वो किया था. अब आज की तारीख में नहीं है, but that time it was, I mean, that's the kind of money I would make. So it was a very big deal for me. But luckily I had the senses कि नहीं ऐसा गलत काम नहीं करना है. So जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, I mean, this all things are, you know everything. It's not that मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ आज तक आपने सुना नहीं है, या आपके पेरेंट्स ने नहीं बोला है, या आपके टीचर्स ने नहीं बोला है. Everybody will say the same thing. But believe me, this is the fact and this is the right thing to do. Nothing else will matter. आपको जो मालूम है वो सब सही है. मेरे और आप में इतना सा फर्क है. I am 0.5% better than you. That's it. Just try to become little better than above average, a little better than an average Indian. You will be super successful. धीरूभाई अंबानी भी यही थे, और आज की तारीख में XYZ, अब किसी का भी नाम ले लीजिए, वैभव टंडन जी भी ऐसे ही हैं, और सब यही हैं. So this is what you should aim for. You will get what you want. And yeah, once you become successful, don't forget your team, because it's only because of them you will be what you are. अभी तो आप नए हैं, but हमेशा ध्यान रखना, they will always be your biggest strength, your biggest asset, and without them you are nothing. Without team you are again zero. आप वापस से startup हो जाओगे. Always nourish them, always take care of them, always keep on growing with you. जब एक हो या 10 हो या 1000 हो, अगर आप उनको आपके साथ रखते हो, if they believe in you, if they believe you are the leader, then you can get anything you want in life. So yeah, that's it. That's what I have to say.